those of you who don't know, I'm Steph.
For this.
And that's Dallas. She can't focus. Okay, so what we're going to be doing today is basically just trying a bunch of this candy that we bought. And
like,
just,
we've never tried it before. It's just like a first impression.
And we're going to unpackage it and everything in front of you.
Except this chocolate banana cream. Because I already opened that.
These are from, where are these from?
Japan?
FYE.
These are Japanese.
I think so.
Oh my god, these
Ooh,
smell so
they-
good.
Okay.
And the Pocky is
I
chocolate.
already ate it.
Those are trash. Next.
I think it's kind of good. We're gonna give it out of 3 stars since there's just 3 of us. So you guys give it a star?
No.
0.
I give it a half star. So these are super lemon. It looks like a comic.
And it looks like something exciting is gonna happen when you eat
it looks like something's
It's
gonna go.
like, I'm
kaboom.
kind of scared.
1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Okay, you just forced it.
At Greek school, we used to have like competitions who could keep the warhead in their mouth the longest.
At Greek school?
Yeah,
I'm
I'd always
scared to
lose.
bite it. What's gonna
I
happen?
dropped out of Greek school.
Wait,
Okay.
bite it.
I don't know, I can't. I'm gonna
It
break
says
my
there's
teeth.
citric acid in those, so I can't be safe.
Not just like everything.
Oh.
There was nothing inside of it.
Yeah. Yeah, I would
Okay,
give
what
it
is
like,
it?
$4.99.
I would give it a star and a half.
Expensive.
But like, if
Retail
someone's
for
into
$4.99.
like this kind of pop art, like,
Yeah.
it's
Yeah,
a
that'd
really
be a cute decoration.
Yeah,
I found these Warhead gummy worms. You already know I want the red one.
me too.
They don't have red and blue.
What?
No, it's red and yellow.
I want blue and orange this one.
You already Wait for us.
These aren't even sour. Are they supposed to be?
Yeah, they're Warhead.
They're
They're
good.
gone.
Ew. Ew.
What?
Don't eat the yellow. It tastes like dirt.
I ate it all together.
Okay, your chewing's gotta go.
I can't help it.
It tastes better when you chew like that.
These are really good.
Ew, bro.
Why?
Let me try the blue, see what you tasted. The orange and blue are good.
Yeah.
You guys give it a star.
Yeah, they're really good.
So 2 out of 3 because I don't. So these are Shock Your Buds Formula Sour.
It's called liquid candy, and
It says sour.
it's supposed to be like
juice.
science themed, so I really appreciate that.
I remember these from when we were kids.
I don't.
I do.
What era were you
Are
born
these
in?
artificial colors safe?
Blue dye number 2.
Red dye number 3.
You drank it?
It tastes like a pixie stick.
Oh no!
Taste it. That'll give you a shot of energy in the morning. Kind of good.
Ew, bro! I like it. Yeah,
Try
it
this
does.
one.
Ew, I don't like green apple.
It's
Ew,
watermelon.
green apple taste. Let me try.
Oh no. Watermelon.
It's green apple.
Oh, that's why.
That is disgusting. No star for me.
I like this one a little. 0.5 of a star.
I wouldn't recommend giving this to your children.
That's the cutest thing I've
We
ever
found this pack of candy sushi.
Read the back.
seen. Oh, let's say what they are.
It's literally just gummies.
Okay, what do we have first?
There's
Okay.
California rolls.
These don't look like no California rolls. These are
Okay.
supposed to be tuna.
You're
Vic is already.
It was that a marshmallow?
Ew! Ah!
Kyochi are these.
The California roll, no.
Okay, these look kind of good.
That looks like a black licorice.
Oh my god, these look like kazoozles. Okay.
Ooh, this one looks good. What's this?
Ew.
Candy uramaki.
Oh. Okay, these are sick.
I'm trying this candy uramaki.
Wait.
That's the best one.
Okay, these look like little Twizzlers. These are the Kyochi. Wait, how do you say that?
Okay, that one's
Quite
not bad.
coochie.
That one's not bad.
This is the koi coochie.
Okay.
That was very
So
nasty.
how are we
Other than
reviewing
these
the sushi?
gummy rings, I give it no stars. Like, these taste like a craft store. Stephanie's really eating it, and Dallas won't get off her phone.
Okay. No star from me.
Okay, those are literally the worst thing I've ever tasted.
So next,
I don't know what kind of sushi they're
we're
eating.
gonna crack into this
Wait, where'd you
Japan crate.
For
It's
those
from
of you
FYE.
who don't know, I'm gonna be a tough critic because I've spent a great deal of time in Japan. Stephanie, okay, we should have like opened that ahead of time,
Oh
so
my
you know
God.
this is super first impression. Oh my god,
Oh my
how
God, there's
cute!
a bunch of different ones.
Okay, so first
This
we
is
have
so
the
cute.
Tohato caramel corn. The texture is more Cheetos than popcorn.
They're good.
No,
Mm-hmm.
I don't fancy that.
I do.
I do.
Really good. 3 stars. Not for later. Next, we have Puku Puku Thai Choco.
So what's in this one?
This
Chocolate?
snack brings you a traditional Japanese dessert, but made of wafer with chocolate goodness in the middle. Like,
I
this
don't
is
like the way
pretty
this looks.
authentic. This is something.
Ew, there's holes in there and that gives me anxiety.
Ew.
Oh no, I can't eat this.
That's kind of good.
You know what it tastes like?
Something in ISOC's house.
What's next? It's
The
this.
Fruta
we gotta keep it moving.
Dodeca bar.
This.
Like a bit of crunch with your chocolate? You'll love this Dodeca bar. This snack is a 25 centimeter corn puff bar covered in milk chocolate.
Bark.
Oh!
Ew, it looks scary.
That's good.
Oh. Now that tastes like the wafer cookies.
That tastes like.
Mmm.
That kind of tastes like burnt popcorn.
Ew, you're right.
Put it
Okay,
away.
next.
What?
Ew.
Vegetable?
It's salad flavoring.
Wait, what?
No, it's vegetable salad flavor.
No, we need to try this.
Not yet. We'll try it on vegetables one day.
No!
No, it's a thing to eat.
It's not on vegetables, you dumbass.
Yeah, it's not
vegetable
seasoning.
salad flavor.
So
Okay, I'm scared.
It's like a veggie stick.
Oh my god, that looks good.
It's like a veggie stick.
Oh,
It's like orange.
that looks
It
good.
looks like a Cheeto.
Oh my god, that looks so good.
It's like a chocolate.
Let me try. Oh, it smells good.
Don't do it.
Should I? Ew, it stinks!
No, it tastes like fish!
That's the
No,
worst
not
thing
trying
I've ever
that.
No, you
tried.
have to.
I don't want it.
It's the-
It tastes like a Cheeto.
As soon as I bit into, I took a big ass
Dallas,
bite.
you have to try it. Or just try it.
As soon as it
Ew.
hits your tongue, you're like,
It tastes like fish food.
Ew, that tastes like barbecued fish.
let's forget that ever happened.
Okay.
That was so wrong. I'm calling the cops.
The weirdest thing is next.
That's so weird.
What is it?
Sour long gum mini cider flavor.
This is what is next.
It's the most
gum.
popular flavor of Japanese gum. The refreshing taste of cider takes us back to the best times with the best of friends.
Aw.
How cute.
Oh my god, I remember those.
This is
It's
gonna be-
hollow.
I feel like I do remember these from
I do.
somewhere.
I literally remember these.
They taste like Razzles.
It's good.
10 out of 10.
But the thing is, it has a weird aftertaste.
No, it doesn't.
I like it.
Yeah, it's
I
good.
don't know.
It's like citrusy.
That's sick. All I taste is veggie stick. How much was that box?
You don't want to know. You don't want to know.
Was it over $20? Okay, don't tell me. Just literally.
Okay, next.
A waste.
Yaokin Umai Sugar Rusk. These are crispy slices of bread coated in butter and sugar.
If those are veggie sticks, I'm not-
They are,
Oh
bro.
no, they smell like Cheetos. This is what they look like.
They smell good.
They smell like buttery.
Those are good as
Holy shit.
I need another piece.
Okay. What's next? These?
Potato chips, black pepper flavor. Oh, unfortunately, I can't eat these.
Vic doesn't like pepper.
We like pepper.
It's
She
bold
hates
black
it.
pepper,
Like if you put like a little dash,
and it
Vic
has a
knows.
smoky finish.
Not bad. Yeah, those are good.
Vic likes pepper now. She just takes to a minute.
Vic's like, oh, these shit's good.
Those are pretty good.
I can't really taste the pepper.
I would eat a whole bag of these.
It just like burns the back of my throat.
Yeah, okay, what's next?
These.
Yaukin 7-stick milk cream. Crisp,
They look
crisp,
like little churros.
crisp wafer cookies filled with cream.
Pass down the milk
I
stick.
feel like I'm on Fear Factor.
Okay,
And
They're
that's
not
not
like the
that
fish.
bad. Tastes like Cold Stone.
Is it lemon? Ew. Whoa. Weird.
It's kind of good.
It's weird.
It's good, but like not.
Yaukin butterbeer flavored. Yes,
I think I
Potterheads,
know
your
someone
day
named
has
Yaukin.
arrived.
Okay, these
In
look
candy
scary.
Oh my
It
god, they
literally looks like.
They're maple
butter beers.
syrup.
Bro! Oh!
Yeah, those.
Okay, next is Naruto Ramune Lychee. It's a unique Asian flavor.
I'm not
It
gonna
makes
like
for
that.
this special
this, bro?
Japanese
Oh.
drink. Enjoy this subtly sweet and fruity soda.
Is it the one with the ball you push down?
Yeah.
I already know.
I don't see it though. I don't see
It's up in there. So everybody knows about these sodas.
Not everybody.
With this little
Fine
popper
food,
thing, and
Japanese
you pop
cuisine.
in the
Right.
marble. Okay, so you put this little T on this. And pop it in. Okay. You suck. Yeah, that one. And it would just pop the marble
We
in.
used to like try to get the marble out when we were kids.
I feel like we did before.
I didn't.
That's good.
It tastes like Sprite.
Oh my god, it
Okay,
came with
why
this
is
little
she so
keychain.
hot?
No, it's
Candy Hembrow.
lychee flavored.
Lychee.
Wait, that's our bonus gift.
Well, I just found it, so.
Okay, next.
Ew.
It's good.
That tastes like plastic.
Yeah,
It's
oh, you're definitely eating
Sankaku vegetable crackers. Sankaku means triangle, which explains why these crackers come in a cute triangle shape.
I swear I'm not.
They're good with toppings like cheese or ham.
these. Oh my god.
Cheese.
I
or
have high
ham.
hopes. I don't think they're like the vegetable sticks.
I do.
Cheese or ham?
Smell it.
You gotta just go for it.
They're not bad. They taste like a cracker.
Yeah, they taste like wheat thins.
They do.
They taste like, yeah, those are good.
Yeah.
People win these as
Oh,
prizes.
these look good.
It has the texture of corn puffs.
That chew. Stephanie always chews
Is
at
it
like
good?
a tempo. She's
Don't do this to me.
I'm not eating
It
that.
tastes like nothing.
These are oh my god, these are like little prizes.
Prizes?
Yes.
What
I
do you
feel like
mean?
they're kind of good. It's kind of
Like
like
in like machines, I would see those. Like at Chuck E. Cheese type of machines.
in Japan.
We have one more candy.
Oh, those
It's a
look like,
mango chile.
Okay, I
lollipop.
can't.
You can't?
I would like this.
I am gonna vomit.
I'm gonna like this.
I am going to vomit. I'm going home to bed right after this. I'm scared.
Oh, it's good.
I cannot get this open. Oh, I got it.
Do you like it?
It tastes okay.
Like I wish it was like blue raspberry.
I don't get the chili or the mango. It's okay. Is it spicy at all? Or is that the veggie stick in my mouth?
Okay, we got the new drink from Starbucks. Cherry mocha. It's pretty good.
10 out of 10.
Okay, so that's all we had for you guys today. So make sure you like this video. All it takes is a click. Come on.
Subscribe or die.
Why do we ask people to subscribe?
That's how we get a following.
We're asking them.
Yeah, like subscribe.
Subscribe.
Okay, 3, 2,
Hey guys.
1.
Hey guys!
Vic here.
Vicky!
This is Victor Baxter. Remember, from that
I played Raven's dad. Is it focus, Dallas?
Dallas. Come
I am
on.
blind! How can I see that?
Why are you yelling just because you got out of the world of cell phone?
You're like, look, it looks boring
No,
to me
because
anyway.
you don't even answer once. Your first answer is like like bro, chill.
The puku Thai choco. This.
Thai choco.
This.
Is that so?
Putu puku puko.
It's focused.
No, it's not. You
No,
can't.
shut up. Shut up. No.
You don't decide.
Yeah, just
Bitch, you were an
go
hour
with it.
late.
Is a traditional
Wait,
fish
read that
shaped
again
dessert.
once we get this fixed.
Is this focused?